Making cranberry sauce from a can is quick and easy. Start by opening the can of cranberry sauce using a can opener, ensuring the lid is fully detached for safe removal. For a smooth release, gently run a butter knife around the edge of the can to loosen the sauce. Hold the can over a serving dish and either shake it gently or tap it to slide out the sauce. If you prefer a more elegant presentation, use a spoon to transfer the sauce in sections or mash it slightly to spread it evenly. You can also garnish it with orange zest, cinnamon, or fresh cranberries. Serve it chilled or at room temperature and enjoy your effortless cranberry sauce.